After dealing with the disc herniation, lower back activation and strength, oftentimes we see is diminished. Now we know we need to build that strength back up, but oftentimes doing that while moving can be either painful still or very threatening it might feel very threatening, thus causing more pain. And so what we want to start to do is work on building that strength within a neutral position or within a range that feels comfortable and not too threatening. Now, when you do that, you're building up confidence through more sets, reps, weights, load, whatever that is, so that then you can do more challenging things, right? So your body now knows, oh, this didn't hurt, this feels fine, and I'm feeling stronger. Cool, let's proceed, move forward. So the Roman chair or the GHD, the glute ham machine is great. GHD, though, being completely horizontal, sometimes the shear force is too much. So we like this angled position that you would get with the Roman chair. Not everyone has access to a Roman chair. So if you have suspension trainer or rings and simply like a yoga strap or something like that, we can create our own Roman chair. So I'm going to loop that between, I'm putting this down below my waist here, and I'm basically just going to lean across this, okay? While leaning across this, I'm going to start with an iso hold. When I'm doing this iso hold, I basically just want my lower back muscles activated, which they are, and I just want to cook them 80, 85%, meaning 100% effort would be, I can't do any more. 80, 85% means it's going to be working very hard. There's going to be a lot of burning in the lower back, which is totally normal because it's not contracting. And then afterwards, we can flush that out. So this is a really good, easy starting point for generating confidence in your lower back and getting that muscle activation and strength that we're looking for.